children, it's me, the red panda Timmy. Today, we are going to bake funny cookies because I am very hungry. And inside this refrigerator, I have all the dough.
Hi Timmy and all the children. How fun! So here we have your refrigerator. Shall we open it?
Yeah, let's take a look. So in here, I have lots of dough. Cookie dough. I like to eat dough.
Yes, look! In here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jars of dough.
Now, I will go get the dough. And then, we are going to bake cookies. Here we have beige dough. Let's place it here. And then we have pink dough. Oh, it was a bit hard to get down here. Here we have white dough too. Oh look, I found blue dough. How tasty! Here we have yellow dough. And now, the fridge is empty.
Well, it's completely empty. How great that we're making so many cookies then!
Yes, let's bake some cookies. Look, here we have all the things we can use to make yummy cookies.
Yes! Look, here we have some fun cookie cutters. And here's the dough from the fridge. And here we have a rolling pin. So what should we start with, Timmy?
I want this one, so that the cookie looks like a star.
Great choice! Let's put the others away for now. What color would you like?
Yellow.
Then let's take the yellow one. Here is the yellow dough. And it has like little sprinkles in it. How yummy!
Super yummy.
Then let's roll it out. Like that.
And now, we'll take the cookie cutter. And then you have to press down. Oh, that's it.
Look how nice the star-shaped cookie turned out.
Yeah, it looks really good. I want to make another one.
Okay, let's put this one away for now. What shape would you like now, Timmy?
Let's see. This one. I want this one.
Alright, Timmy. Let's do that one. So let's just move the others out of the way. What color would you like?
Oh, that's a difficult choice. Pink.
Alright, let's go with pink. So here we have some pink dough. And it also has sprinkles in it.
May I smell it?
Of course, Timmy.
It smells delicious.
Let's roll the dough out. There you go, Timmy. Now, why don't you press the cookie cutter down on it?
Okay. May I have the cookie cutter?
Absolutely. Go ahead.
Like that.
Let's see. There you go. What a nice pink cookie.
Wow, it looks super tasty.
Yes, it does.
I'm sure it's super yummy. Don't you think so too?
I'm sure it's super yummy. Okay, let's put this one aside for now. Alright, what shape would you like now, Timmy?
I want the one that looks like a cat.
Okay, then we'll make a cat-shaped cookie. What color would you like?
Ooh, so difficult. I want beige.
Let's go with beige then. So here we have beige dough. And this one also has little sprinkles in it. Let's roll the dough out.
Yes, so it becomes flat.
Like that. Here's the cookie cutter, Timmy.
Thank you very much. Like that.
Great job! Here we have a beige cookie that looks like a cat.
Wow, what a yummy cookie. I want to try some. Nom 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 nom. That was delicious.
That's great, Timmy. Let's put this one aside and make the next cookie. So now we have 2 cookie cutters left. A heart and a circle. Which one would you like?
I want the round circle.
Alright, let's take that one. What color would you like? There is blue or white.
I want blue.
Then let's take the blue dough. Here we have blue dough. And it also has sprinkles in it. How nice! Shall we roll it out?
Yes, of course we will.
There you go. Here's the cookie cutter, Timmy.
Okay. Like that.
So now we have made a blue round cookie.
Wow, it looks very round and tasty.
Of course it does. Now we only have one more cookie left to make.
Alright, let's make it.
And now we only have the heart-shaped cookie cutter left.
Yes, and it should be white because we only have white dough left.
Exactly. Here we have white dough, and it also has lots of sprinkles in it. Let's roll this one out, Timmy.
Yes. Thank you. There you go.
How nice it turned out. There are lots of sprinkles in this dough.
Yes. Great, right? Now we have finished all the cookies. Let's take a look at them again.
Here are all the cookies that we have made.
Wow, they look really yummy. Which one do you think looks the best? I think so too. So now I'm going to eat all the cookies and we can play together again another day. Bye bye. Hello children. I am Timmy the Red Panda. Today we're going to make yummy ice creams from these delicious toy cookies.
Hi, Timmy and all the children. How fun! So here we have a bowl with lots of yummy cookies in different colors.
Yes, I love cookies.
I do too. And we are going to make ice creams out of these. And here we also have ice cream cones. Really yummy. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 ice cream cones.
Exactly, because we are going to make 5 different ice creams. And then we also have a spoon so that we can make ice cream scoops. So we're going to take a cookie and put it in the microwave and then hope it becomes ice cream. And we will start with a yummy orange cookie.
Exactly. And this one looks really yummy. And we are going to take this cookie apart into 3 parts. So now we've taken the cookie apart into 3 parts. And now we're going to put it in the microwave to see if the cookie turns into a batter so that we can make ice cream out of it.
Exactly. What color do you think this batter will become? Can you guess? I think it's done. We'll have to check. Yes, it turned out as an orange batter. How great!
Great! Then now we are going to make an orange ice cream scoop. Like this. Now we have an orange ice cream scoop. So we are just going to attach it to a cone. And we've made an orange ice cream.
Yes! So yummy! Now the orange ice cream is ready. It looks so yummy. What do you think it tastes like? I think so too. And now I want to make the next ice cream. And for that, we will use the green cookie.
Okay, then let's put this aside. And we are going to take a green cookie. Let's see. Here is a yummy green cookie.
And we are going to split it into 3 parts.
Exactly. So now we've split the green cookie into 3 parts. So we are going to put this in the microwave and see what happens.
Yes! And what color do you think this batter will be? Now it sounds like it's done. Let's check what happened. Yes, it became green dough. And we are going to make an ice cream scoop out of this.
That's right. Here we have a green ice cream scoop. And we are going to attach this to an ice cream cone. And then the green ice cream is ready.
How yummy! Yes! Now the green ice cream is ready. And it looks delicious. Don't you think it looks yummy? Alright then, I want to make another ice cream. And I want to use the blue cookie.
Okay, then we'll put the green ice cream aside and take this blue cookie. And it looks really yummy. And what should we do now?
We are going to split it into 3 parts.
So now we have split the blue cookie into 3 parts. And then we will put it in the microwave and see what happens.
I think this is so exciting. What color do you think it will be? Now I think it's finished, but it smells rather strange. Oh no! It was in there for too long. It got burned. I think I want to make a new one.
I agree. This was unfortunate, Timmy. What should we do now? There was no blue dough.
Well, we'll see if we can find a new blue cookie so we can try again. Yes, look! A new blue cookie.
Yes, look how great! Then we're going to split this blue cookie into 3 parts. And let's hope it doesn't get burnt this time.
Exactly. And now we have split it into 3 parts. And now we are going to put it in the microwave. So you can cross your fingers and toes with me that it will be a blue dough. probably finished. Yay! Now it's blue dough. How great!
Yes, look how great it turned out. Then we're going to make a blue ice cream scoop. Like this. Now we have a blue ice cream scoop. Let's attach it to the cone. And then, the blue ice cream is ready.
Wow! It looks really yummy! A blue ice cream. I think it tastes like blueberry. What do you think it tastes like? How silly! Now I want to make another ice cream. And I want the yellow cookie because it looks so yummy.
Okay, then let's see if we can find a yellow cookie in here. And look! Here there was a yellow cookie. It looks really yummy. And then we'll just split it into 3 parts and then put it in the microwave. So now we have split the yellow cookie into 3 parts.
I love yellow cookies. What color do you think this dough will be? Can you guess? It smells really yummy. Yes, it turned out to be yellow dough. Look how yummy it looks.
Yes, look how well it turned out. Then let's make an ice cream scoop. So here we have a yellow ice cream scoop. Then we will attach it to an ice cream cone. And then the yellow ice cream is ready.
Wow, it looks really yummy. Yellow yummy ice cream. Do you think it looks good? I could eat it right now. Although, I want to make one last ice cream. And for that, I want the pink cookie. Because there are no other cookies left.
Exactly. We only have 1 cookie left now. And it's the pink cookie. And it looks delicious. So we're just going to divide this pink cookie into 3 parts. So now we've split the cookie into 3 parts, like that. Now we're going to put this in the microwave and see if it becomes a dough.
What color do you think this dough will be? Now I think it's finished. Yes, it turned out like pink dough. How great!
It turned out awesome! So we are going to make a pink ice cream scoop.
I think it will be really, really yummy.
I think so too. So here we have a pink scoop of ice cream. And we are going to attach it to the ice cream cone. Then the pink ice cream is ready.
Wow, it looks really good. I think it almost looks the best. Or maybe the yellow or blue one is the best. I don't know. They all look amazing. And now we have finished all the ice creams. Surely they look delicious, right? We made a blue, green, yellow, pink, and an orange ice cream. So I'm going to go eat all of these ice creams, and then we can play together again another day. Bye bye. Hello, children. It's your friend, Timmy the Red Panda. Today, we're playing hide and seek with our silly duck friends in the sandbox. And I need your help to find them all. Time to go hiding. Now they've all hidden. Here we have lots of different molds. And I think the ducks have hidden under the molds. And I need your help to guess who's hiding where. Here we have a purple seahorse, an orange crab, a yellow starfish, a green shell, a blue fish, and a pink skull. Who do you think is hiding under this purple seahorse? Can you guess what color the duck has? Yes, it's the purple duck. You're great at this. Let's see what we can find under the next mold. Who do you think is hiding under the yellow starfish? Can you guess what color the duck has? Yes, it's the yellow duck. Great job. Okay, what should we check now? Who do you think is hiding under the orange crab? Can you guess it? Yes, it was the orange duck. You are super good at finding the ducks. Where should we look now? Let's move on to the blue fish. Can you guess which duck is hiding under the blue fish? Yay! It's the blue duck. Great job. Which mold are we going to go for now? Which of the ducks do you think is under the pink skull? Yes, it was the pink duck. Awesome! You are great at this. And now we only have one mold left. The green shell. Can you guess which color the duck has who is hiding under it? Yes, you got it right. It was the green duck. You're the best. Now we have found all the ducks. Thank you for your help. Now they can keep playing in the sandbox. And we can play together again another day. Bye bye.